Aquí
Here,
están
in this gallery, we find a number of works by Sandro Botticelli,
que fue
a fellow apprentice of Leonardo's in the workshop of master Andrea Verrocchio.
buenos. Los temas son temas
Now, Botticelli's paintings explore many of the classical themes of ancient pre-Christian mythology
que fue tan
that was so well loved in 15th century Florence and depicted many times over by its artists.
Este, por ejemplo, lo pintó antes que
This, for example, is a painting that Botticelli finished before Leonardo left for Milan, so Leonardo knew of its existence.
que devuelven
These are themes
al
and
presente de
scenes
esa
from
época
pre-Christian
todo lo que
times
es
of Greco-Roman culture and especially Greek culture that the artist brought into the present moment of his age. All the ancient myths are portrayed here and proposed anew as spiritual truths and mysteries. We have the birth of Venus, or Aphrodite, according to Greek mythology, and in this representation of spring, we find Greek characters such as the three Graces on the left, and then Hermes, and so on. This is a work that, again, Leonardo would have seen as it was being painted, since he left Milan 2 or 3 years after Botticelli had finished it. These are all subjects that were emphatically denounced by the Dominican friar Girolamo Savonarola. He believed that these themes from antiquity led the faithful astray, distracted them from the Holy Scriptures, and caused them to become much more infatuated with this ancient mythology.
Comparando sus pinturas, es posible ver cómo
If we compare their paintings, we can see that these two artists depicted nature very differently.
Botticelli pintando
Botticelli drew plants in great detail,
como si estuvieran todas
as if they were all clustered together in the foreground. Leonardo, on the other hand,
así
painted nature as it appears to us in real life.